Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I'm going to show you quickly how to adjust your pH without spending a single dollar in chemicals. It's a natural process called aeration, and basically how we affect the pH is by how much air bubbles we create or how little we create. The more air bubbles we create, the higher the pH goes, because we're basically causing the carbon dioxide in the water to gas off, and the reaction is a higher pH versus, if you don't have that happening, that turbulence on the surface of the water, you're not raising the pH. So if you're dealing with high pH, you'll want to turn water features off, turn the jets pointing down a little more, versus if you're dealing with the pool with low pH, you want to do the opposite. So let's go ahead and show you a few examples and how to adjust it. Here's one way to raise the pH through aeration. You see in the waterfalls or small spillover, all those bubbles there are causing the carbon dioxide to gas off, and as a result the pH rises naturally. So here's another example of the aeration process. You see these water features here in this little kiddie pool that's attached to the main pool, and then you see 5 water features here that's creating all the turbulence and all the bubbles out there. That's all causing that carbon dioxide gas off. It's going to raise the pH. So if you're fighting high pH, turn those off, and if you're fighting low pH, turn them on and let it do what it's doing, and that will raise the pH naturally. Here's another example of the aeration process. Now, if you have your jets turned up, pointing toward the surface, you're going to create quite a disruption on the surface. Now that's going to be a slower process than if you had a waterfall like that one over there, or some water features that are making a lot of bubbles, but this will slowly increase your pH over time. Hey guys, I'm here at an estimate, and this is again showing the aeration process. Now this is only something you can fix, not necessarily control unless you fix it. So see all that cavitation there in the pump, that's causing all the air bubbles, carbon dioxide gassing off, and as a result, you get a high pH. Now, if you go over here to the pool, see some air bubbles right there, and then also some over there. So that's going to naturally raise your pH as well. And again, this isn't something we can control unless we fix. So I'm here at a client's pool. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the water features. It should be similar for any pool. So you can help battle low or high pH. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's walk over to the pool. So the water features are always on the return side of the equipment, so you can always just forget the suction side equipment right there. Walk right over here to the return side. You see these are all labeled fountain here, so those are the water features. If you want to turn them on, I already loosened these. Just open these up. Go on over here. Now you see we got some water features going. We got that on over there. We have some coming off the walls and those water features. And if you want to make even greater impact, we can come back over here to the equipment. The way this plumbing setup, it's not the same for every pool, but you have the returns here and then basically all the fountains over here. So you can actually close this off a little bit. Come back over here, and we should see a greater effect on the water features now. So now you can see they're really coming off. So if you're battling a high pH, turn these off, turn the jets pointing down, and if you're fighting a low pH routinely, turn these water features on, and that's basically it. So have a great day everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.